Welcome to your channel, English Steps Podcast.
Hello, English learners. Welcome to the English Steps Podcast, your cozy little place to learn easy English through real, everyday conversations. I am Emma.
And I am Leo. Welcome back, friends. We know learning a language can feel scary sometimes, but you are here with us now. So take a breath. You are safe here.
Let's take a deep breath together. Breathe in and breathe out. Very good. Learning English is a journey, and we take it one step at a time. Today's episode is for beginners. This is an A1 level episode. That means we will speak clearly and use simple, everyday words.
Today, we are talking about your morning. When someone asks, "How is your morning?" many people just say, "I wake up, I eat, I go to work." But we want to help you add a little bit of personality.
Stay with us because after our chat, we will give you easy conversation starters so you know exactly how to begin your sentences. And later, in our word tour, we will slow down and explain 3 important words so they stay in your memory.
That is right, Emma. The morning is so important. It starts your whole day. If you have a good morning, you often have a good day.
Exactly. And talking about your morning is a great way to practice English. It is a topic everyone knows. Everyone wakes up. Everyone has a morning.
So find a comfortable chair, or if you are getting ready for work, just listen to the rhythm of our voices. Let the English words wash over you. Let's begin. Emma, tell me, how is your morning today?
My morning is very quiet. I wake up at 7 o'clock. First, I drink hot tea. I do not like coffee. Then I eat a simple breakfast. After that, I feel happy and ready for the day.
That is very interesting. You say you drink hot tea. What kind of tea do you drink?
I drink green tea. It is very light and warm. It wakes my body up slowly.
And your simple breakfast? What do you eat?
I usually eat toast with butter and maybe 1 red apple. It is fast and it is easy to make. I like easy things in the morning.
That sounds so peaceful.
It is. What about you, Leo? How is your morning?
My morning is loud. I wake up at 6 o'clock because my dog barks. I feel very tired. First, I drink a very big cup of coffee. Then I walk the dog. After my coffee, I finally feel ready.
6 o'clock? That is very early. Is your dog big or small?
He is a big dog. His name is Barnaby. He is very happy in the morning. He wants to play, but I want to sleep.
So you drink a big cup of coffee. Do you put milk in your coffee?
Yes, a lot of milk and a little bit of sugar. I need the energy to walk Barnaby in the cold morning air.
See, listeners, our mornings are very different, but we use the same simple words to tell our story.
Before we look at our conversation starters, let's practice listening and repeating. This helps your mouth learn the English sounds.
I will say a sentence from our story. Then there will be a pause. You repeat the sentence out loud. Ready? I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I drink a very big cup of coffee. I feel happy and ready. Excellent job. Speaking out loud is the secret to getting better. Sometimes the problem is not that you have nothing to say. The problem is that you do not know how to begin. So let's look at 3 conversation starters. Think of these as small doorways. Choose one, step through it, and speaking becomes easier.
Starter number 1. First, I. Use this to talk about the very first thing you do in the morning. For example, first, I drink water. Or, first, I check my phone.
Let's give a few more examples. First, I wash my face. Listen and repeat. First, I wash my face.
First, I open the window. Listen and repeat. First, I open the window.
Very good. First is a strong word. It organizes your story. Starter number 2. Then, I. Use this for your next step. It connects your actions. For example, first, I drink water. Then, I eat breakfast.
Then tells the listener that time is moving forward. Let's practice connecting 2 actions. Listen carefully and repeat after me. First, I get out of bed. Then, I brush my teeth.
Another example. First, I make coffee. Then, I read the news. Repeat after me. First, I make coffee. Then, I read the news.
Starter number 3, I feel. This is important. Tell people your emotion. For example, I feel tired, or I feel happy today.
Emotions make your story interesting. You are sharing your heart, not just your actions. Let's practice some new feeling words.
Repeat after me. I feel energetic.
I feel hungry.
I feel calm.
Now, let us slow down. It is time for the word tour. We will look closely at 3 useful words we just used. You do not need to memorize everything. Just choose one that is useful for you.
Word 1, wake up. Wake up means you stop sleeping and open your eyes. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Let's repeat it together. Wake up. Wake up.
Notice how the 2 words join together when we speak. We do not say wake up with a hard stop. We say wake up. The K sound flows smoothly into the U. Try it. Wake up. And remember, wake up is different from get up. You can wake up, open your eyes, but stay in bed for another 20 minutes before you finally get up and stand on the floor. I love doing that on Sundays. Word 2, tired. If you are tired, you have low energy and want to sleep more. For example, I feel tired in the morning. Let's repeat it. Tired. Tired.
Tired has 2 syllables, but they blend together fast. Tired. Tired. It is an adjective. You describe yourself. I am tired.
Many people are tired in the morning. If someone asks, "How are you?" and you say, "I am a little tired today," they will understand completely. It is a very normal human feeling.
Word 3, ready. Ready means you are prepared to start your day or your work. For example, after my coffee, I am ready. Let's repeat it. Ready. Ready.
Ready starts with a strong R sound. Ready. Round your lips a little bit. Ready.
You can use this word all the time, not just in the morning. Are you ready to go? Yes, I am ready. Is dinner ready? Yes, it is ready. It is a fantastic, versatile word to know.
We have a new section today for you. It is time for a mini quiz. Do not worry, it is very easy.
I will ask you a question. you will have 5 seconds to answer out loud using the words we learned today.
Question 1. What is the vocabulary word for when you stop sleeping and open your eyes?
Did you say wake up? Good job! Question 2. How do you describe feeling like you have low energy and just want to sleep?
The answer is tired. Well done. Question 3. How do you start a sentence when you want to talk about the very first thing you do in the morning?
You say, first, I. Excellent work today, everyone.
Simple, honest, natural. That is our goal. And now, we would love to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments, what do you do in the morning?
Try to use one conversation starter today, like first I or then I. And remember, your English does not need to be perfect before you share it. Start with the words you have. That is how confidence grows.
We are so proud of you for practicing today. Listening to English for this long shows great dedication. You are doing a wonderful job building your language skills.
We will be back next week with another episode. Next time, we will talk about evening routines. What do you do before bed?
Until then, keep practicing. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Say, first I brush my hair. Then I wash my hands. Make English a part of your daily life. If this episode helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with another English learner.
Take care of your English and take care of your heart. This is Leo.
And this is Emma. You have been listening to the English Steps podcast.